high-precision single-needle bar warp, knitting machines, crafting professional sunshade solutions with advanced technology. Changzhou LongLongSheng exclusively presents dedicated production lines for sunshade nets, manufacturing high-quality, anti-aging and tear-resistant sunshade fabrics from premium raw materials, like high-density polyethylene, with full process control from yarn to finished product. Equipped with open cam transmission and precise warp feeding systems, the machine achieves efficient full process operation. From yarn warping, precise knitting to automatic winding and strict quality inspection, it offers flexible customization of mesh size, shading rate and width, adapting to diverse sunshade needs in agricultural seedling cultivation, construction sites, balcony greenery, outdoor leisure and other scenarios. With high-speed operation up to hundreds of revolutions per minute, automated production ensures uniform mesh surface and stable sunshade performance of sunshade nets while significantly increasing productivity, compliant with international standards. The energy-saving design reduces energy consumption and production costs. Our 24/7 technical team responds promptly to support your business expansion. Build quality with craftsmanship. Drive development with professionalism. Choose Changzhou LongLongSheng for high-quality sunshade solutions tailored to all scenarios. Changzhou LongLongSheng Warp Knitting Machinery Company Limited. Contact Lorna. HEL +86 159 7716 7823. Email sales@dfjx.com.